Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are in a good health and good spirit. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how to change Facebook page name using the mobile. So let's start it. Firstly, before starting the video, I am telling you that please subscribe my channel and also like the video. So let's start. First you have to go to the Play Store and make sure that your Facebook is updated. So my Facebook is updated, so you have to click on the Facebook and then open it, and you can see that this is my Facebook page, and I want to change the name of the FB page. So click on it and then click on it, and this is already choose my page, so click on it, and you can see that this is the three dot lines. Click on it and you can see that this is menu options, so click on edit, and one is profile editor. So the option of changing the Facebook page is not here, so click back and then click on three dot lines. So scroll it and you can see that this is the setting and privacy. Click on it, and then the first is setting, device request, dark mode. So click on setting, and you can see that this is the page setting. Click on it, and in front view you can see that the name healthcare tips. Click on it and click on the name, and I want to change my Facebook page name, so I change my Facebook page name, so it is health tips and before it is healthcare tips. So you have to click on the review change option, and you can see that the current page name healthcare tips and the new page name is health tips. So this is the password bar, and you can see that to save this setting please enter your Facebook password. And I want to something telling you that you have to enter your password which you enter at the time of making the Facebook ID. So I enter my Facebook page password, Facebook page password. So after entering the Facebook page password, you have to click on save changes. So I don't want to change my Facebook page name, so I didn't click on save changes. So through this process you can change your Facebook page name. So this is the easiest process, and if you don't know your Facebook password, ID password, you forget it, I already make a video on how to forget the Facebook password. So you can see it and then enter the Facebook password. So this is the easiest process, and if you face any hurdle or any problem you can comment me. I will try my best to help you. Thank you.